Dreaming of a vacation but worried about the costs? Here's how you can save big with deal alerts and apps. In a world of rising travel costs, finding savings can make a huge difference. Whether it's a vacation or a weekend getaway, deal alerts and discount apps are your new best friends. Let's dive in. Deal alerts notify you of price drops, exclusive offers, and flash sales. Apps like Skyscanner and Google Flights keep you posted when flight prices plummet. Just set your destination and voila, savings await. Now let's talk about Llivo. Unlike others, Llivo offers personalized deal alerts tailored for vacation rentals. Imagine getting exclusive deals without the constant price-checking hassle. Pure bliss, right? To maximize savings, sign up for multiple platforms. Flexibility with travel dates, a game changer. Adjusting by just a day or two could save you a bundle. And don't forget those mobile apps. Hotel Tonight for last-minute stays, Groupon for local deals. Budget-conscious travelers rejoice. Remember, booking 3 to 6 months in advance can save you up to 20%. Timing is everything. Early bird discounts are your new best friend. In conclusion, deal alerts and discount apps are your ticket to affordable travel. From Llivo's tailored alerts to mobile apps, staying informed means saving big. Ready to start your next adventure? Explore Llivo today and travel smart.